Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a formula in Google Sheets for an entire column so you can automate your calculations and avoid typing the same thing over and over. First, enter your initial formula. The first step is to set up your calculation in the very first row of your data. Click on the cell where you want the first result, for example, C2, type your formula, such as equals A2 plus B2, and hit enter. Make sure your formula is working correctly for that single row before moving on to the rest of the column. Next, use the fill handle, the drag method. For shorter lists, the quickest way to apply the formula down is using the blue fill handle. Select the cell with your formula. Hover your mouse over the small blue square in the bottom right corner until your cursor turns into a plus sign. Double-click that blue square. Google Sheets will instantly shoot the formula down to the very last row of your data. Alternatively, you can click and drag it manually if you only want to fill a specific range. Lastly, use array formula. If you want the formula to apply to the entire column automatically, even when you add new rows in the future, use an array formula. Go back to your first formula cell and wrap your calculation like this, equals array formula A2 through A9 plus B2 through B9. This is the best method for dynamic sheets because you'll never have to drag down again. New data will be calculated the moment it's entered. And that's pretty much it. To apply a formula to an entire column, you can either double-click the blue fill handle to fill down to the bottom of your current data, or use array formula to make the calculation permanent for the entire column, including any new rows you add later. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.